Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will explore static methods for malware analysis using two tools, VirusTotal and PEStudio. Static malware analysis involves examining a file's structure and attributes without executing it. This approach helps identify potential threats safely. VirusTotal is an online service that scans files using multiple antivirus engines to detect potential malware. To get started, open your browser and search for VirusTotal. Click on the first link from the search results, virustotal.com. Now, you'll see the VirusTotal homepage. Imagine you receive an email with an attachment and you're unsure if it's safe. In such cases, save the attachment to your computer. Then, switch on the VirusTotal homepage, click on Choose File, and upload the suspicious file. VirusTotal will scan the file and display the results, highlighting any detected malicious activities. If you'd like to analyze a URL instead of a file, open a new tab and search testphp.vulweb.com. We use this website as a test environment for such analyses. Once the website opens, copy the URL. Now, return to VirusTotal. Navigate to the URL section and paste the URL. In the URL, change HTTP to HTTPS as it provides a more secure connection. So the URL will be https://testphp.vulnweb.com. Click on Search. You will now see a scan report. For example, if 1% of the scanned URL is flagged as malicious, such as by CRDF, you can search for more details about CRDF to understand the nature of the detection. These findings indicate the types of malicious activities that could occur during malware testing. While VirusTotal is simple and effective, if you're looking for more advanced analysis, you can use PEStudio. Let's move on to PEStudio. To begin, open a new browser tab and search for PEStudio Download. Press Enter. Click on the first link for PEStudio 9.61 Basic from the search results. On the next screen, click on Download PEStudio Basic and save the file to your system. It's a small file, so the download should complete quickly. Once downloaded, navigate to the folder where the PEStudio zip file is saved. Unzip the file by right-clicking on it and choosing Extract All. Click the Extract button from the pop-up. Inside the extracted folder, you'll see several items, including an XML folder, changes.log file, a PE parser DLL file for testing, and the executable PEStudio.exe. Double-click on PEStudio.exe. If a warning appears, click on More Info, then click Run Anyway to proceed. The PEStudio interface will now open. It's user-friendly and simple to navigate. From the menu bar, click on File, then click on Open File. In the dialog box, locate and select the testing DLL file provided in the downloaded folder. Once opened, PEStudio begins analyzing the file. On the left side, you can see various analysis options. It even integrates VirusTotal for external validation. As I mentioned earlier, VirusTotal is a basic tool. PEStudio, however, goes deeper. Click on the DOS header option on the left side. Every file has a header, which is critical for understanding the file structure during malware assessments and network evaluations. You'll see details such as file ratio is 0%. Entropy is 2.133. Also, we can see the header location information and header associated with it. On the left side, click on DOS stub. You can see that the file size is under 200 bytes, and PEStudio will display the headers associated with that file. On the left, go back to the directory by clicking on d:/PEStudio/PEStudio/PEParser.dll. Under the Properties section, you'll observe several indicators, such as the first 32 bytes of the file, a text file that might not be human-readable, the dynamic link library, DLL, file, 64-bit GUI file, and a Microsoft linker. This is how you effectively use VirusTotal and PEStudio for static malware analysis.